Welcome to the video about master layouts with React Native styling pattern. In this video, we will introduce styling in React Native. The objectives of this video are to introduce styling in React Native, discuss how to implement styles, and understand the benefits of the style sheet component. CSS in React Native is different from how it's utilized on the web. CSS is implemented through JavaScript objects versus a string or external CSS file. Styles are also not inherited from parent to child like they are on the web, with the exception of the text component. However, you can utilize component composition to inherit styles throughout your application. There is also only a subset of CSS properties that are supported by React Native, and certain properties can only be used on certain platforms. Let's start with discussing inline styles. All of the core components accept a property named style. In the example to the right, each text line will be a different color that is set as the value to the key color. I just want to emphasize we are passing in plain JavaScript objects, and styles are based on these key value pairs. So if we want to pass in more styles, we would just add more keys. The style names for most part will match how CSS works on the web, except names are written using camel case, like background color would be one word with a capital C in the middle, versus background dash color. Let's move on to array of styles. Within the style prop, you can pass in an array of styles. The last style in the array has precedence, so this can be utilized to inherit styles. You can pass in inline styles or name styles, and this is an excellent pattern to utilize for conditional logic. This can be done without an array, but applying multiple styles instance can be useful. On the right, you will see two name styles passed into the array. If a background color was a style in each style, the background color for the new label would be applied. The second example implements a mix of a name style and an inline style. Even though they are different, the precedence rule still matters here. React Native's API also provides a style sheet component. The style sheet component allows you to create a style sheet and pass it into your component and utilize specific styles based on the name applied to the object. On the right, I create a name style that my text input provides. This is the most scalable approach in my opinion and will allow you to write clean code. Another benefit in naming your styles makes reading and reviewing your code a lot easier, overall improving code quality.